Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of Blendtec versus Vitamix. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which blender is better. So the main difference between Blendtec and Vitamix is their design. The pitcher for Blendtec is square-shaped. Unlike the round-shaped design of Vitamix that spins the ingredients around in a circle, this design disrupts the blending flow. The contents hit the flat sides of the pitcher, and they fall back in towards the blades. It also makes the pitcher easy to clean as the water stays around the blades for longer. Therefore, Blendtec's design improves the blender's performance compared to Vitamix's. Blades. Blendtec blenders have blunt blades made of cold-forged, hardened steel. These blades are 10 times stronger than those of Vitamix, and they pulverize ingredients efficiently, whereas Vitamix uses sharp stainless steel blades to chip away at ingredients. This feature makes Blendtec a better blender for handling tough ingredients than Vitamix. Pricing. The pricing of Blendtec and Vitamix varies based on the models. The promotions available at different times also affect the price. The Blendtec blenders are generally expensive. However, Vitamix prices depend on the model, and it is possible to get cheaper models. So in this case, Vitamix is more flexible at the pricing, and it offers more affordable options. Comparison table. The table shows that Blendtec has blunt blades and high horsepower, while Vitamix blades are sharp with slightly less powerful motor. There is also a difference in pricing. While you can expect Blendtec blenders to be generally expensive, Vitamix prices vary depending on the type of blender. Similarities. Both Blendtec and Vitamix are versatile blenders constructed for various blending tasks. They're also exceptionally durable, and they come with an 8 to 10 month warranty period. Verdict. So, which is better? Blendtec is better than Vitamix. Though both blenders have high blending capabilities, Blendtec blades and pitcher designs enhance the blender's general performance. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us. Thanks for watching.